Here's a generator. You can wind the handle this way. It does have a clutch the other way, so if you get it spinning fast and it brushes your hand, all the energy in the disc isn't transferred to your hand. You can see the magnets behind the coils as they turn round, and the faster they go, the higher the voltage they'll induce in the coils. So now we want to do something with the electricity this is going to generate. So we can wire it into the rectifier box. There's two separate coils on the back of the generator, and there are 4 inputs on the rectifier box, so it doesn't actually matter which is plugged into which, because it's just going into a double bridge rectifier, and those go into here, and on top of this there are some meters, and as we turn the generator we start to generate a voltage, but currently there's basically no current. If we plug a load into the output of this, if we plug a load into the output of the rectifier and we clamp the generator to the table just with some woodworking clamps, so if I've got no lights turned on, it's really easy to turn the handle and there's no current being drawn. As we turn one on, it gets noticeably harder to turn the handle, so I draw some current. Turn on the second one, it gets still harder, and we should be drawing more current, up to 3 amps or so. Now 4.5, 6 odd. Apparently I'm generating 10-12 watts, and with all 5 on, it's getting really quite hard work. We have other loads. Instead of using incandescent bulbs, we can use LED bulbs. Which is much easier. You can really feel the difference in efficiency, especially if you're slightly undervolting one, like we are here. Even running really fast, that was only drawing an 1.5 amps, and it's so much easier to use. If you really want to work out, you can try the hairdryer. If you switch it on to cool, you can feel that you're doing some work, but it's not too bad. If you put it into heat mode, you've got to work incredibly hard, and you just start to feel some heat, which shows just how much energy there is locked up in heat. And one other device we've got here is an electric drill. Now the more work the electric drill's got to do, the harder it is to turn. If you put it in a lower gear, it gets a bit easier to turn and you get some more torque out of the electric drill. If you try and stall the drill, it gets harder to turn as well. Just slightly, it's hard to tell that well. And of course you can play games, like having the most bizarre hand drill